Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie, and well, I got all my orders packed yesterday at least. This bag, I got a box there, and then 2 more bags. I do have a few more orders that sold yesterday. Yesterday was not a super strong day, but I did have a couple of things sell, so I'm gonna pull that stuff now. All right, first thing I'm pulling is a Tom Clancy Splinter Cell Conviction game. I think for Xbox 360. Here it is right here. $3.99 plus ship. This is a second account kind of thing. It's funny though, because the person that ordered it, they didn't know they were ordering it from me. They watched my channel and they sent a message after they ordered saying, I didn't realize it was you, but hey, I watched your video. So thanks a lot, Lawrence. I hope you like the game. Sending it out now. All right, back on the main account, and this Joker bust right here on Pop A shelf. This sold for $37.99 plus shipping on top. Get that packed up. Just packed this Joker bust, by the way, and I packed in one of these boxes, and whenever I went to print the label, I was like, crap, it's actually a international shipment. So this is going out simple export rate, which means I have to use a brown box, you know, my own box like this. And I wanted to take this opportunity to remind y'all again that I understand if you don't want to take on the risk of simple export rate, but be aware, like in my case for sure, I'm shipping at least 5 items a week, usually pretty decent items too. Via simple export rate. So these are sales I'm getting that I may not have gotten otherwise, just because I'm offering that. I've talked about it in countless videos now. I know it seems like I'm shilling for pirate ship, or I think other places might even offer simple export rate. I'm not sure, but yeah, keep in mind, like, I know a lot of people say, well, I only want to offer a global shipping program, and I understand that because it's easy. You're covered. You don't have, you know, there's like no hassles pretty much, and if there are, you're covered. But just be aware, you may be missing out on some good sales. Sold another airplane. This is a Sopwith Camel. This little guy right here. Sold him for $29.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, last order I'm pulling is on mid B shelf, which is right here. It's a Batman statue thing that came with a game at some point. Here it is. Oh, wait, I think this is, no, it's not this one. It's this one. DC Universe Online, I guess, was the name of the game. But this is just the figure in the box, and sold this for $19.99 plus shipping on top. It's going out to Pam. So Pam, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Pam left a nice message. She is growing her eBay business, and she wants to have a she shed. So I hope you get your she shed, Pam. Thanks again, I appreciate it. It is next day. Had a good listing day yesterday. Did 25 items for $542. We're on day 32 as of yesterday. Day 32, have listed 16,774. Got 48 days left in my 80-day challenge to list $32,000, and I have $15,226 left, which means I need to average $317 a day over the next 48 days. So let's take a look at sales from yesterday and early this morning. All right, I went ahead and pulled all my orders that are going out today, and they're all on my main account. Dead Island Definitive Collection sold for $13.99 plus shipping on top. Y'all might have seen me pick up this ink over the weekend. I picked up this ink, and then there's like 4 or 5 more that were random that the guy didn't buy. But I picked them all up for $10 total. And I arranged them in these groupings like this, where it had one black and then three of the colors that they made for this printer or whatever. And I priced them out at 20 bucks per grouping. Now these are all expired in that one says 2015, but they're mostly I think every other one is 2017 except for that one. So chances are they're good, but they are expired. So I did, I priced them accordingly. I offered them up at 20 bucks per 4-pack plus shipping on top. One guy bought all of them. So this is a $120 order plus shipping, which was really, really awesome. And it was fast. It was like 24 hours after listing, I had them all sold. So that was big. What else we got here? Oh, this train case thing. It did have the issue. We picked this up for $4. It did have the issue where it was missing one of the posts, which I disclosed in my listing. But you see, it doesn't like sit in there good. So somebody have to attach something there, maybe. I don't know. Or maybe they don't even care. But anyways, cool case nonetheless. I sold it for $25 plus shipping. This is a Wii console only, no cables or anything. Sold this for $23.99 plus shipping. And this hat, I've had this hat forever. I think I have a buck into it. Sold this for $14.99 plus shipping. Then this is like a little print or poster or whatever. Sunday morning quarterback for LSU. Sold this for $14.99 plus shipping. I am including a bonus one. Same thing. I've got so many and they're taking so long to sell. I figured it's better just to go ahead and send two. They're like, oh, I got two, and it won't cost me a dime because it wouldn't have sold anyway. But yeah, $14.99 plus shipping on top for that. I actually got a whole stack of like 100 or more of these for $5 about a year ago. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is a good one. This came out of the $4,000 lot from my guy, if y'all are familiar with that. If you're not, go back and look and you'll find it somewhere a couple of weeks ago, month ago. Batman portable speaker. It's a Funko Pop. It's also a speaker you can plug into with your phone or whatever. I got $89.99 plus shipping on top for this one. The other one I sold, I had two of these, had a much better box, and I sold it for $100. This one I sold for $89.99. And last thing is this deck of Star Trek cards. These are actually going out to a viewer named Nick. Nick, thank you so much. Nick was also nice enough to congratulate me on my fantasy football win. So if y'all watched a couple of videos ago, or maybe last video, I was talking about how I had a kicker versus Andy Parrothead Picker's Jimmy Graham, and I didn't know how that was going to turn out, and I ended up winning. My kicker, Green Bay kicker, with Mason Crosby, he kicked, I think, 3 field goals and 2 extra points, something like that. And Jimmy Graham only caught for like 2 balls for 30 yards or something. So I won pretty easily, but I did watch the game. Jimmy Graham scared the crap out of me because he did get targeted twice in the end zone, dropped both of them. So I could have easily lost, but I ended up winning. So thank you. And thanks for the order. I hope you like the cards. All right, this is everything you just saw. Now it's packed up. Pretty light packing day. I don't know, 30 minutes. Pack everything up. Maybe 45, something like that. And a good sales day too. So while I was out at the post office today, I swung in Goodwill, which I haven't been doing much. And I picked up a couple things. Like, I don't mind taking a shot with stuff like this. This is some nostalgia here. Back in the day, Wicco, hope I'm saying that right, Wicco was like the real thing. Like that was what a lot of my buddies bought. Wicco and Epic's 500XJ was a big one too that we liked as far as joysticks go. But anyway, I bought 2 of these Wicco command control trackballs. These are good for, well, centipede, mostly. I don't know what else. I'm not going to test them. I'm going to sell them just like this. But this has the plug for Commodore 64, VIC-20, Atari. There's several systems that actually use the same plug. And yeah, I got it for $2.99 a piece. So, and I got 2 of them. They come with the boxes. Pretty cool. I am cleaning the trackball. Look, this is what I got off of this trackball. Ugh. And then, so anyway, I got 2 of those for $2.99 a piece. And then I bought this copy of Spyro, Enter the Dragonfly, complete with manual. I bought that for $2.99. So, just a few little pickups, a few little bonus things. Have a little fun with. So, anyway, that is going to be it for today. Nice and short and sweet. I will see y'all again tomorrow for another video. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.